All right, good morning, YouTube. Just wanted to let you know that I am on task and show you how to walk away to pounds with me for about a good 5 minutes. All right, let's get started.
Of the body. And the best news, everybody walk. Yeah. You did a 1 mile walk. You're in a mile, guys. Wow. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Hey, now listen, here's what we'll do. This next track speeds up so much. So what I want to do is go ahead and put the weight off to the side. And you know, Mary Kate, you want to do some speed walking?
I would love to speed walk. Thank you.
Do some speed walking for us. Go, man. Yeah.
All right.
Ooh, hello.
Happy to be here.
I'd like to be here.
Are you all ready to do some speed walking back there?
Yeah.
Good. Just walk it out. Walk. Good. Great job, everybody. Keep on walking. Got those arms moving, legs moving. Doing great. 8 more. We're going to do some kicks. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Kick it out to the front. Let's go. Kick. Remember what Leslie said about holding it in right here. Stay strong through the core of your body. Think you can add a little bit of arm to this? What do you think?
Yeah. Go, man.
Push it. Right there. I want you to reach for that opposite foot. Reach.
Little coordination, little
Reach. Good. Everybody okay? Good. All right. I love to hear that.
I know. Yeah.
Come on.
Love when those walkers are in it.
Oh, yeah. We're going to do 8 more kicks, guys. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Back to a walk right here. Just walk it out. Come on, legs. Yeah.
We're talking to the legs. Yeah.
Communicate to the legs. All right. Let's walk it out wide. Take your feet out wide. Just like that. Keep them out there for 8, 7. 4 more. We're going to do some kickbacks. Ready? Kick it back. Let's go. Kick. Really good for those thighs. Sit into it a little bit. Good job, guys. Remember, we're moving fast this mile. Perfect job. All right. I just want you to take your arms out to the front right here. Give me a little pull back. Pull. Just like that. That's perfect. Very nice. Keep it going. Come on. Doing great. Hang in there with me. Just keep kicking. Kick back. We're going to do 8 more times. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Take it back to that walk right here.
Yeah.
Remember, if something gets difficult for you, you always go back to a walk. As long as you keep your feet moving, that's all you have to do. Am I right, Les? Perfect. Walk it out. Ready? 4 more. We're going to do some knees. Here we go. Lift the knees. Let's go. Pull. Remember about that core. Engage your core. Right there. Keep it strong. All right. I want you to pull that elbow to the knee. Opposite elbow. Pull. Just like that. Great. 8 more. We're going to double this up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Give me 2. This side. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Thanks for sharing.
That's